Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add an image in your resume on Canva. So let's get started. So if you want to add an image on your resume in Canva, then what you have to do is first of all open up your resume. After opening up your resume, just delete the following resume that you have. So just select the resume and then tap on this option. And after tapping on the delete option, now what you have to do is just simply tap on delete image. So you shouldn't tap on this option, just delete frame, just tap on delete image. And after tapping on delete image, now what you have to do is just simply open up your files. And after opening up your files, now you have to select the image that you want to add. So for example, I want to add this image. So what I'll do is I'll just select it. And after selecting that image, now what you can do is just simply tap on the copy icon, which is on the top left corner of your screen. So you can just tap on copy from there, or you can just simply right click on it. And after right clicking on it, just tap on copy over here. And after copying it, now what you can do is just simply head back to your Canva. And now you just have to paste the image that you have copied. So just simply right click, and after right clicking, just tap on paste. And after tapping on paste, the image should appear. So if the image does not appear, then what you can do is just simply type in Control V. So after typing Control V, the image should appear. So after typing in that, here you can see guys, the image has been successfully appeared. So now what you can do is just simply crop this image and change the size of that image. And after changing it, just drag it and drop it over there. So what you can do is just select the image. After selecting it, just simply drag it and drop it over here, and it will simply crop it and adjust it according to the size of the circle. So that's it guys, this is how to add a photo in Canva resume. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.